Hey guys, see you in here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing Supreme Week 13 item. Super excited for this. And if you've been following Week 13 for Supreme, you know it's pretty pricey Supreme drop. Week 13 was the Stone Island collab. So Stone Island brand itself is super expensive. So with collab with Supreme, you kind of expected the price to be double. And honestly, the other item that kind of dropped with it was also expensive. They had the Supreme lamp, which was going for almost 300 bucks, which is ridiculous. But I guess they wanted to kind of put two items together where more expensive drop kind of dropped together. I was fortunate enough to get one of the item, and this was highly sought after. I didn't know if I was gonna get it. I did manage to grab Supreme Stone Island hoodie. Supreme Stone Island drop had a few of the items. Again, we had the Supreme lamp, but amongst the Stone Island apparel, we had the jacket, the puffy jacket, which was over like $1,000. We had the Supreme hoodie, which I got, and we had the Supreme beanie, I believe Supreme hat, not beanie. And we did have like a pullover face mask for Stone Island Supreme as well. But again, all of these items were pretty ridiculous price. The premium you pay for the Supreme Stone Island collaboration was definitely there. I did manage to cop one Supreme sweatshirt. So let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you guys what I got. So package came like this. Let's go ahead and open it up. Wow, that was close. I should not have done that. I almost ripped. I did rip through the Supreme Stone Island package, but I didn't touch the sweater. Ooh, that was close. I gotta be careful more on that. The package came like this. No special sticker. I guess they didn't have the Supreme Stone Island sticker, but two box logo sticker again. And package came like this. Stone Island blue packaging. And out comes the Supreme hoodie. I got it in white. There was two colorway for this particular one. There was a black one and the white one, and it's striped. And honestly, I'm not sure how I got it. Maybe it was a premium price. Maybe it was people thought that it's gonna be highly sought after, so they didn't even go for it. This did sell out instantly. I was able to get it, so I'm pretty happy about it. And I personally thought the white one, the white striped, is better than the black one. So happy about that as well. Now I did say Stone Island is expensive and Supreme is the collabing brand, so the price was up there. This hoodie costed upward of $350, so definitely not cheap. But let's go ahead and look at this up. I did get in size medium. Right off the bat, you have the Supreme tag with Stone Island in the middle, made in Italy, and size medium tag for Stone Island. We have the sleeve and the trademark for the Stone Island, which is the tag and the flap here, which kind of comes in and off. This is my third Stone Island piece. I have another hoodie, and I have a crew neck for Stone Island. I love their brand. I love their quality of their clothing, but again, the price is really up there. Obviously I can't afford too much of it, but I do love their clothing, so if I could get my hand on it, I try to. Being the Supreme one, I definitely had to go for this one. The striped, as well as the logo and Supreme in the middle, and we have a pocket for the hoodie with the button that clicks on both sides and that connects in the middle, like a hoodie. The only difference is that a lot of the hoodie don't have these clickers. The buttons here, interestingly, it's also like inside, so it's not outside in. This is from inside out, which kind of ensures that the whatever you put in here kind of stays in. But other than that, the front has a logo again. The back really doesn't have anything. Premium you pay for is this, right? So I'll give you guys a closer look at this Supreme piece. I'll put it on, try it on, give you guys a closer look, and we'll wrap it up.